Before you upload your first artwork to sell online, stop. Because the difference between no sales and bestseller is just one smart concept. Welcome to episode 5 of the series The Art of Selling Artwork and How to Do It Right. In this video, I'll show you the types of artwork that actually sell, how to think like your customer, not just a creator, and how you can build your first product with sales in mind, not just style. You spend hours creating beautiful art, upload it to a marketplace, and get zero sales. Sounds familiar? But here's the thing, your art isn't the problem is the concept. Today, I'll show you the kinds of ideas and art packs that sells best online and how to pick your first winning concept, even if you are just a beginner. So let's dive in. This video reveals the secrets to successfully selling your artwork on different marketplaces. So let's start with the tip number 1. Don't just make art, solve a problem. So when someone buys an art online, they are usually looking to solve a problem. That problem might be, I need icons for my app, I need illustrations for my blog post or website, I need cute graphics for my Etsy store. So instead of making random art, ask yourself, what problem does my art solve? Next tip is pick a hot topic niche. So now let's talk about the themes. Some niches are just always in demand. So here are some evergreen and trendy topics I'm sharing you can build around. So evergreen concepts are like health and wellness, education and online learning, technology, mobile apps, business characters, seasonal themes like Holi, Diwali, Christmas, summer. And trendy concepts are like AI and tech, remote work, diversity, eco-friendly living, mental health and mindfulness. So instead of drawing just one yoga girl, create a full wellness pack with 10 or 15 illustrations. And tip number 3, bundle it smartly. So people love value. A single illustration may not catch attention, but a full bundle that feels worth the money. So here is how you package your art to increase chances of sales. Create minimum 10 to 15 cohesive pieces and keep the same style, color palette and theme. Include common formats like PNGs, SVG and AI and APS. Add attractive preview images so buyer can see how it can be used. And last, I give you a bonus tip. Add mock-ups like showing your character on a website, bag, on flyer. This makes it easier to buyer to imagine using your work. And tip number 4, test demand before you create. So that means before you start drawing for 5 hours, test the idea first. So I'm telling you how. So search the topic on platforms like Creative Market, Free Picks or Gumroad. Check the number of downloads or similar products. Read reviews. See what people love or wish was included. Even ask your Instagram audience what they will buy. So if people are already buying it and you can offer a better, more beautiful version, so you've got a winning idea. And last, most important tip is one concept, many platforms. So once your concept is ready, don't just upload it on one place. Upload it on multiple platforms to increase your chances of earning. You can upload them on Creative Market, Gumroad, Icon Scout, Etsy. If it works well, reuse the same concept in different formats, like turning a character pack into a sticker sheet, animated assets, or in Canva templates. We'll talk about this concept in the next video in detail so that you can check how we will use one concept for many platforms. Remember, good art doesn't sell by itself, a smart concept do. Subscribe for more practical illustration tips and don't miss my next video where I'll show you how to use one art bundle to sell on multiple platforms. If you found this useful, give it a like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.